Hey, do you have any cookies for me to eat? I want cookies!
Oh no, sorry Cookie Monster. I don't have any cookies. I only have gumballs right now.
What? No cookies?
Oh, I know. Maybe we could make some by putting the gumballs into the magic microwave.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's try that.
Alright, so here's the magic microwave. Now let me get the gumballs. Here's red, yellow, and here's blue. Alright, which color should we start with first?
Let's start with blue. Same color as Cookie Monster.
You got it. Let's throw a handful of blue gumballs into the microwave. Whoa, check it out, Cookie Monster! We got 3 cookies, and all 3 cookies have blue filling in them.
Awesome! It worked! I can't wait to eat cookies. Hurry up and feed me. Aww.
Okay, here comes the first one.
Aww.
Now here comes chocolate with blue filling.
Aww.
And here's the last cookie.
Those cookies were so good. More cookies!
Alright, now let's use these red gumballs to make cookies. Throw a few into the microwave. Awesome! The magic microwave gave us 3 more cookies, and each cookie has red filling inside.
Oh, I can't wait to eat the red cookies. Aww.
Here comes the vanilla with red filling.
Aww.
Here's another one.
Aww.
And here's a chocolate with red filling.
Yummy. Let's make the yellow cookies next.
Okay, let's put a handful of yellow gumballs into the microwave. Yes! 3 more cookies! And each cookie has yellow filling inside. Okay, Cookie Monster. Here comes a chocolate cookie with yellow filling.
Aww. Aww.
Here's a vanilla cookie with yellow filling.
Aww.
And here's another one.
Oh man, are those all the gumballs you have?
Yeah, I only have those 3 colors of gumballs.
Oh, how about we put different colored gumballs in the magic microwave together?
Oh yeah, that might work. Let's try that.
Alright, let's do it. More cookies!
Okay, let's see. Let's start by adding some red gumballs. And blue gumballs. Awesome! Check this out, Cookie Monster. The red and blue gumballs made purple filling.
Whoa, the colors mixed together. I wonder what it tastes like.
You'll find out very soon. Here's a vanilla with purple filling. And here's a chocolate with purple filling.
That was so good! Let's try another combination next.
Alright, now let's try mixing red gumballs with yellow gumballs. Wow! We got a different color! Red and yellow mixed together makes orange. Check out this filling.
Oh, orange color this time.
Here it comes. Here's a vanilla with orange. And here's a chocolate with orange.
Alright, one more combination to go.
Okay, now let's mix blue gumballs with yellow gumballs. Awesome! The yellow and blue gumballs made green filling. Okay, give this a try. Here's another vanilla with green filling. And here's a chocolate with green filling.
Those cookies were so good! Thank you so much for feeding me. I have a present for you in my backpack.
Oh wow! Thanks, Cookie Monster. You're so sweet. Our first surprise is a Troll Series 8 blind bag. Our second surprise is a Fingerlings Minis blind bag. And we even get a Num Noms Collectibles. Let's start with the Troll Series 8. Today we got Harper. Now let's check out the Num Noms. Our Num is Razzie Cream. Here's a closer look at Razzie Cream. Now let's see who our Nom is. It's a Shimmerit. We found a special edition one. Say hello to S'mores. Here's a closer look at S'mores. Now let's check out the Shimmer. Here's how the Silver Shimmer looks. Last but not least, let's open this Fingerlings Minis blind bag. Today we got Twinkle. Here's a closer look at Twinkle. These fingerlings can latch onto your pen or pencil. That's pretty cute. We also get some accessories. Here's a teal bracelet. How does it look? And we even get a ring. It's a monkey pinky ring.
Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!